Welcome to Alan's Trains Christmas unwrapping. What do we have here? Let's find out, shall we? There's a clue on the end of the box. Haha. And it is the Hornby Railroad Class 37 in police livery. We're going to be looking at this later on the layout. Well, what's the next thing to be unboxed? I think it's this. Yes. Heavy rail. What do you suppose it is? And it is an Adams O2 tank. LSWR Adams O2 tank. Yeah. Some accoutrements here. Some root discs and some what do you call them, shovels and stuff, and there is the loco, the Southern Railways Calborn locomotive. We'll be looking at this later. Next thing is this one. What do you suppose this is going to be? It's a very mysterious box. And it's a Hornby OO mug featuring the DP1 prototype Deltic. How about that? And the next thing is this. What do you suppose it is? Well, there's a clue there, LSWR it says. And it's the LSWR Cross Country set. Can we open this up? Yes, we can open it up. And there they all are. We'll be taking a closer look at these later. Well, the last thing in this presentation is this. What do you suppose it can be? A yellow box, and there is the evil name of Hornby. And it's the railroad. Maroon coloured engine with 2 coaches. Yes. Well, we'll be having a closer look at this. It says Class 4P compound train pack. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please click subscribe and leave a comment if there are any of these things that I've shown you wish to see a review of. Thanks for watching.